Hello. In today's video, we're going to show you just how easy it is to do an amendment or expansion using MonetizeNow. I'm inside Salesforce, working on the MetaSystems contract. In our last video, we wrapped up a new business quote for the starter plan, covering a platform fee, an upfront implementation fee, and licenses for 15 users. To get started with an amendment, all I have to do is click the Amend Action button on the contract object. MonetizeNow takes care of the heavy lifting, asking if I want to create a new Salesforce opportunity or attach my amendment quote to an existing one. Personally, I love keeping things simple, so I'll have MonetizeNow generate a new opportunity for me. Once I choose Amend, MonetizeNow instantly pulls up the latest agreement for MetaSystems, showing all the current subscription details. Everything's here: the platform fee, those 15 users, and all applied discounts. When I hit Amend, MonetizeNow asks for the amendment date. It usually defaults to today's date, but since this contract starts in the future, I'll just select a random date in the middle of the contract. Let's say I want to update the contract on January 11th. When I proceed, MonetizeNow creates a new ramp, letting me make changes starting from that date. Now, if the customer needs more user licenses, I can bump the number up to 25 in just a few clicks. MonetizeNow does all the math for you, automatically prorating and co-terming the upsell from January 11th to August 31st, the original contract end date. The calculated prorated value here is $6,333.87. Once that's set, I'll go ahead and submit the changes and pull up the quote presentation so we can see exactly how it looks. One thing I love about MonetizeNow is how clearly it presents everything to the customer. On the new MetaSystems quote, you'll see an amendment order form with a delta view, highlighting the 10 extra licenses added for the remaining 7 months and 21 days. The prorated value of $6,333.87 is front and center. Right up top, you'll notice the new ARR and the incremental ARR of $9,900 from the new users for internal metrics. Meanwhile, customers see the prorated value and exactly what's owed. Just below, the latest contract view maps out the journey: 15 licenses from September 1st to January 10th, then 25 licenses kicking in on January 11th. Here, customers can also see the prior contract value, the amendment change amount with its prorated value, and the new total contract value. The updated billing schedule below clearly shows the prorated January fee, since the upsell starts mid-month, and the adjusted monthly subscription fee of $4,062.50 moving forward. Now, let's move quickly through the quote acceptance process. I'll manually accept the quote, as we demonstrated previously. Keep your eye on that incremental ARR of $9,900. It matches what's scoped to the opportunity. Remember how simple it was when I initiated the amendment in Salesforce? MonetizeNow took care of creating the opportunity, and the prorated expansion value of $6,333 appears right in the amendment quote. The overall contract value now combines both the original business quote and this prorated expansion. You'll see that the amendment opportunity amount reflects the incremental ARR of $9,900, and the renewal opportunity delivers an updated forecast. What used to be $38,850 is now $48,750 because the customer will renew at 25 user licenses. Within the contract object, you get a clear record of product entitlements, tracking how the subscription expanded from 15 to 25 users between January 11th and August 31st. That's a quick look at how MonetizeNow leverages Salesforce's contract object to make amendments and expansions effortless, while always keeping your renewal forecasts up to date in your CRM. I hope you found this walkthrough useful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks for watching.